A big city basically works like a factory, and it faces many challenges. Unforeseeable events, scarcity of resources, rising volatility, increasing demands on flexibility and productivity, and last but not least, a lack of attractiveness. What does the work of the future, shaped by digitalization, new work and artificial intelligence, actually look like? Wouldn't it make sense to embrace agility, to be able to react more quickly to future challenges? What if rigid work shifts became a thing of the past? What if people were able to organize their work and plan it flexibly themselves? What if working systems were connected and intelligent, and therefore able to react within seconds, even to events that seemed unforeseeable? Connecting also means connecting people with each other. Only then will everything be available just when it is needed. Physical and digital support systems help to streamline processes and support people whenever necessary. Hand in hand. At Fraunhofer Institute for Industrial Engineering, we cooperate with Ilabo and Wirth and work on the Working World 4.0. Register. The jobs and processes of tomorrow are connected to the people. They can be organized in an individual manner, and their operation works in an intuitive fashion. Light, ergonomics, support systems, and the provision of materials tailor-made to suit people and work tasks in an intelligent way. Processes are controlled in real time.
What music may I put on?
The usual.
There's a sun in the sky.
This is exactly how the factory of the future will work.
All kinds of birds.
New, innovative approaches will lead to economic success and happy employees. People are needed to make the digital transformation of business models, organization, and processes a success.
Guess what I came there to see.